हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट से बने हुए छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स। तो आप लोग भी मेरे साथ बोलेंगे और लर्न करेंगे। ए फॉर एप्पल। APPLE एप्पल। ए फॉर एंट। ANT एंट। ए फॉर एरोप्लेन। AEROPLANE एरोप्लेन। A for aeroplane. B for ball. BALL ball. B for banana. BANANA banana. B for bag. BAG bag. C for cat. CAT cat. C for cap. CAP cap. C for car. CAR car. D for dog. DOG dog. D for doll. DOLL doll. D for duck. DUCK duck. E for egg. EGG egg. E for eagle. EAGLE eagle. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant. E for elephant. Fish. FISH fish. F for fan. FAN fan. F for flower. FLOWER flower. G for girl. GIRL girl. G for gun. GUN gun. G for grapes. GRAPES grapes. H for hat. HAT hat. H for hen. HEN hen. H for horse. HORSE horse. I for eyes. ICE eyes. I for inkpot. INKPOT inkpot. I for ice cream. ICECREAM ice cream. J for jug. JUG jug. J for jam. JAM jam. J for jacket. JACKET jacket. K for kite. KITE kite. K for key. KEY key. K for kitten. KITTEN kitten. L for lock. LOCK lock. L for lion. LION lion. L for lips. LIPS lips. M for mug. MUG mug. M for mango. MANGO mango. M for monkey. MONKEY monkey. N for nib. NIB nib. N for nest. NEST nest. N for nose. NOSE nose. O for ox. OX ox. O for owl. OWL owl. O for onion. ONION onion. P for pen. PEN pen. P for parrot. PARROT parrot. P for peacock, Peacock, peacock. Q for queen, Queen, queen. Q for quilt, Quilt, quilt. Q for Queue, Q. R for rat, Rat, rat. R for rose, Rose, rose. R for rabbit, Rabbit, rabbit. Sun, Sun, sun. S for soap, Soap, soap. S for ship, Ship, ship. T for top, Top. T for tree, Tree. T for tiger, Tiger, tiger. U for umpire, Umpire. U for unicorn, Unicorn. U for umbrella, Umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, van. V for vase, vase. V for vegetables, vegetables. W for wolf, wolf. W for wheel, wheel. W for watch, watch. X for X-ray, X-ray. X for Xmas, Xmas. X for xylophone, xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak, yak. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo. Y for yacht, yacht. Z for zip, zip. Z for zoo, zoo. Z for zebra, zebra. तो बच्चों ये थे अल्फ़ाबेट्स से बने हुए छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स। आप इसको बोल बोल कर लर्न करना और रिवाइज करना। थैंक यू। लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।